Hello guys, you can see there this is free ChatGPT account. Okay, there is no any existing plan on this account, and I have upgraded this account to Plus plan. Okay, simply I will show you that is a free account. Okay, now I need to refresh, and I will show you I have converted this account to Plus account for 1 month. Basically, this is the client account, so I have done Plus plan subscription for 1 month on this account. You can see there. Yeah. Your plus plan, its expiry date is about May 17, 2026. Today is 17 April. Okay, so it's for 1 month. If you want to upgrade your ChatGPT Plus account, ChatGPT free account to Plus account, you can contact me for 1 month, 1 year. Also, we have available ChatGPT Go for 1 year. Thanks.